Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be demonstrating how to add apps to your Wix website. So let us get started. First, open your Wix editor website and access the left menu. Look for the Add button and click on Add Apps. In the Add Apps section, you can search for and explore various apps that you can integrate into your website. For example, if you love reading comments and want to add a comment section to your website, then you can add it. Once you find the Comments app, click on it, and a pop-up window may appear asking you to agree to certain terms and permissions. Then, click on Agree and Add to proceed. Now, you can customize the placement of the Comments app on your website. Click on the app and drag it to the location where you want it to appear. You can place it on any page or section of your website that you prefer. Remember to explore the available apps and choose ones that align with your website's goal and provide value to your visitors. Don't forget to test the app's functionality to ensure it works smoothly and complements your website's overall design. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.